Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert emojis in Google Sheets. So whichever document you have, as you can see I have three sheets here, this sheet here, another one called AAA and another one called Travel Planner. And it doesn't matter which sheet I choose, if I want to insert or add a emoji here, I can easily do it. So let's say I want to add an emoji right next to name, right? Or let's say right next to the amount. Let me go ahead and make this a bit more, and let's say I want to insert, for example, a money emoji right next to this. I can just simply go ahead and click or double click within that cell. I would prefer to double click because I want to put it right next to amount. Then go ahead and click on insert, and here in the list you will find emoji. You click on that. Nor you can search for whatever you want. So if you're looking for something specific, you can use a search. So I'm gonna type in, for example, money, and you will see that it starts to show money right there. So I'm gonna add the bag of money for in this case, and as you can see it's now added, and I just need to click away, and that's it. That's how you'll easily add an emoji into a cell in Google Sheets. Very easy and very simple.